Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. Thanks for tuning into us. Wanted to talk to you this week about electric motorcycle bikes, if my SEO guy or my wife is wanting to know. This is going to be based on a Zero motorcycle, and it has a 14.4 size battery. Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's charging, like it says right here, at 34 amps down to 33 amps. And it was at 35 or 3600 kilowatt. So as it's charging more, the kilowatt goes down a little bit and the amperage. But you got to keep in mind that this, we just wired up a 220 on this, so it actually is half of that. It's at 16 amps, so it's probably drawing a little about 15 and a half right now. But if you upgrade to do, instead of like a 6 kW charging where you'd have to be away, and you did it at home at a 12 kW, you're probably going to be closer to a 40-50 amp breaker on that. So right over here, it was real simple with just some 12 gauge wire. That's a 220 size plug. I don't want to pull it off right now, but it has, excuse my French, but the two Chinese looking eyes right there. And so that's how you know. It looks a lot like this 120 right here, but it actually has a slit this way. And that's how you know it's a 220. Okay, you can still wire it up as a 110, but the 220 on that means you're going to be 240 volts, which is going to be a 2-pole breaker like this. So anyways, the max this can get is 16 amps, and you want to be 80% of that circuit anyways, which is going to be 16 amps, and that's what they've already figured out. So if you're going to upgrade that, you might want to keep in mind when you're calling someone that it could be a 12 kW, but really he called me with the right information at 3600 watts or a 3.6 kW. But yeah, great motorcycle. He says he's getting 90 miles on a highway.
Yep.
And something stupid like 130 in town.
Well, that's what they spec it at. I haven't driven much in the town yet, but
I mean, that's like opposite than a car. Like you're idling at a light and you're losing more gas, and you're on the highway and it does a little better. This thing's going to be pretty amazing. So I've thought about getting a bike, but hitting my mid-40s now, I don't know if I ever will. But boy, if I ever thought about my son getting one, what a great way. And what I would love to know is how is going to be the maintenance on this compared to what my brother has to do to keep up on his Yamaha. My other brother has a Harley. So, but yeah, so thought I'd do a quick video on this. Pretty cool just to see a bike like this set up, and first one I've ever got to wire. The date, I always try to tell my SEO, this is February 27th. February 7th, yep. 2020. So that's when the video was. There is not a section yet in the electrical code book on electrical. There is, I think it's, what is it, 695? I'm kind of forgetting today, but they have it in cars, but not on bikes. But the same concepts apply here, guys. So anyways, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.